parade starts by walking up the hill, so when we get to the end, we're already at the car. It's just a one-time deal. Almost to the top. 250 years, thank you.
There's a different one for every year.
Oh,
I just started 4 years ago. So.
Oh, it's a collection. Very cool.
Well, I see people here with vests and special hats. They have dozens.
3 minutes before the start, everybody's starting to assemble. It is super, super crowded. It's a great Ventura tradition, though. Check it out. That means it's ready to start. Let the madness begin. Couldn't ask for a more perfect day of weather, 4th of July. As you get further down the street, you get a little more separation between the mob. You could literally walk on heads all the way up Main Street, all the way to Cemetery Park. And we're culminating into the street fair. From First Street all the way to Mission Park, the street fair was packed with an awesome variety of vendors, making every block a new adventure to explore. And I would never be one to complain about live music. And for those that are in my age group, this was a popular song that used to be played at Xenon West just down the street back in the day. It was also refreshing to see vendors with their homemade arts and crafts for sale. Calling all car fans, cruise through a lineup of gleaming classics and cutting-edge EVs. From vintage legends to tomorrow's technology, this showcase is packed with horsepower, innovation, and plenty to admire. In my opinion, Ventura's 2026 Pushem Pullem Parade was the biggest and most crowded yet. From an incredible street fair to live entertainment and fun for the whole family activities, the city truly knocked it out of the park. Great job, City of Ventura.